In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Shopify store. Backing up your Shopify store is one of the simplest but most important things you can do to protect your business. Think of it like an insurance policy for your products, your customers, and all the work you've put into building your site. If something goes wrong after an update, an app conflict, or a design change, having a backup means you can recover quickly instead of starting from scratch. First, open your browser and go to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type "How to Backup Shopify Store" and hit enter. Doing this is useful because it brings up the latest guides, help articles, and recommended tools from Shopify and trusted third parties. Even though we're walking through the process together, this search is a great habit to keep, so you always have up-to-date resources on hand whenever Shopify's interface or features change. On the results page, look for official Shopify documentation and reputable guides. The official Shopify Help Center is usually near the top, and that's a good place to start, because it reflects the most current best practices. You'll also see blog posts, tutorials, and videos that walk through manual and app-based backup methods. These resources can give you helpful context, comparisons between different approaches, and detailed screenshots to follow along with. Now, as you explore these results, focus on understanding the two main ways stores are usually backed up. The first is exporting key parts of your store data, like products, customers, and orders, which can often be done directly from your Shopify admin as CSV files. This kind of export is handy as a basic safety net, and is especially useful if you want to keep a local copy on your computer or in cloud storage. The second method uses dedicated backup apps from the Shopify App Store, which can automatically capture more detailed information, including theme changes and some settings, on a regular schedule. When you choose a guide from the search results, make sure it's current and clearly explains which parts of your store it covers. Take a moment to read through the instructions before you start, so you understand any limitations, like what data is included and what you might still need to save separately. As you go, it's a good idea to store your backups in a clearly labeled folder and keep a simple note of the date and what was backed up. That way, if you ever need to restore, you'll know exactly which backup to use. By starting with that simple search for how to back up Shopify store, you're setting yourself up with the information, tools, and options you need to keep your store safe, organized, and ready to recover if anything unexpected happens.